Hey everybody, it's James, and I am live in Sao Paulo, Brazil. Now, I'm going to give you a lesson from here about how to market your Bitcoin. Because I'll tell you what happened to me today. I was quietly hanging out at my hotel and just doing some things, resting a little bit, and suddenly I started to hear what? You hear it? I started hearing music, and I'd ignore it. And I started to hear the music, and it just was drawing me to it. And all the different kinds of music, but you know, Brazil, they got the beat, right? So they got the music, they got the beat. This, by the way, is the famous Avenue Paulista in the center of Sao Paulo. Absolutely stunning, and there's people all over the place. Now, there are a few marketing tips around here, like how do you make yourself stand out? Oh, no, one more over here. Look what this guy did. He was an artist. Now, this is a marketing tip, right? There you go. Street art. Street art. And this guy's a terrific artist. Look, he's doing a little art on somebody's skateboard over there. That's a beautiful piece of art, by the way. Look at that. The weeping Jesus. Absolutely gorgeous. But guys, here's the marketing lesson. Because all around me, there was this music, and there still is this music. There's like a rhythm and a beat. And, you know, if you are doing business with Bitcoin these days, all around you, all around the people around you, all around your prospects, the music of Bitcoin is playing. You know, I heard that music, that rhythm. Let's go over there where the music is. I want you to hear it. Let's go hang out where the music is. That's what was drawing me. The people are so excited. And I was so excited. Literally, look at, I changed my t-shirt. I just happened to have a Carlos Santana t-shirt. One of my favorite artists of all time. But as I was listening to the beat, I just thought, Latino. And I was drawn, and I couldn't not come here today. Yeah, look at the excitement around here. But again, let's get back to Bitcoin, guys. And here's our weeping Jesus, by the way. Here is a very nice little marketing lesson, by the way. If you can do something to stand out in the marketplace, even just a little bit, you will get customers. You will get customers. But back to Bitcoin. The sound of Bitcoin is all around. Do you need to pound people about your cryptocurrency opportunity? Do you need to beat people over the head and say the benefits of your company? Or is it smarter just to let the music of the Bitcoin go out to your prospects and attract them, like the music here, like the music has drawn me? See, the music of Bitcoin will draw your prospects, guys. You don't have to do anything special right now. We're in an amazing season where all you need to do is tell them what is Bitcoin, educate, and educate. Explain to them how to get some Bitcoin. And they will come to you. Just like I've been listening to this all day long, and I can't avoid it. Check it out. See? All you gotta do is make the sound and they will come. Perfect example. I just got 25 customers with the sound of Bitcoin. Alright, I think you're getting the idea, guys. The sound of Bitcoin. Just use it. And business will come to you. Wow. I couldn't avoid being here. Street party. I haven't even seen the band yet. I've just seen the song. I gotta be careful. See if I can. Follow the music of the Bitcoin. Alright, James out.